regarding tax abatement levels, there was a question on, is there a spreadsheet or a formula that we used in calculating the numbers that would be, how much would be abated and how much tax revenue is generated for the taxing entities. And as you know, the EEZ program has a minimum of 50% abatement for 10 years. So this is a spreadsheet that shows an example for $1 million in real property investment. So we use an example up the Route D corridor, which tax rate of $6.51 per hundred. So based on $1 million of investment, in year one, that would generate $20,838 in real property taxes. And so over a 10-year period, there's $208,000 that would normally be collected from $1 million invested in real property. This shows you that with the abatement, it's $104,000 that is abated. Which is the benefit. And then at the bottom, it shows you how that $104,000 would be distributed to the taxing entities. At that location where the property.
But the key is that this is new tax revenue.
Yes, thank you.
It's not, right.
Everything that's in place now is taxed as normal. So this is just the real property abatement. And so as you see, the $104,000 is collected, $78,099 goes to Columbia Public Schools based on their percentage. Looks like the second biggest would be City of Columbia, $6,500. Then you've got Green County Library going to the county. So that's the breakdown of the tax revenue, real property that's collected. Does everyone understand the calculation there?
Very good.
I'm trying to get some, we're 11:45 right now, and we're trying to get some public comment before we leave.
Finally, you handed out a sheet that showed the benefits that would accrue to various entities in Columbia Public Schools and so forth. Did that include the cost, or was that simply the benefits? I mean, there are a lot of costs. There's tax revenues, but it doesn't show the cost that all the rest of us would then have to pay for that business located there.
It was kind of an estimate of what a tax bill would be if you invested $1 million in real property, showing what the effect is of the abatement. That's all.
But it didn't show the cost.
Correct.
I certainly appreciate your comment. I would think that's something City Council would be responsible to evaluate versus the city.